little something I picked up from Smith Haven Mall in Smithtown, New York. Alright. It's the Zippo lighter. Focus that. It's a Zippo lighter. Picked it up for about $30 or so with tax. Alright, I'm just gonna get right into it. It's a United States Marine Corps. That's the guarantee, you know. It also, it's a little thing. It shows you some Zippos, and I have that's the candle lighter, the outdoor utility lighter, blue, and the hand warmer. They all can be found at Zippo.com if you want to check them out. I don't know, I think that one's like 30, same. I don't know, that's cheaper. You have the actual Zippo. It comes in this kind of velvety texture. Alright, here we go. So first things first, let me focus it. It says Marines, then the insignia. It's the back, just black. It has a nice little black coating to it. And it says Zippo on the bottom. That's how you tell if it's a genuine Zippo. You might see that nice little click here. And then spark it up. Hot. That's really hot. Nice gold. It's brand new, so there's no like brownness or so. I was gonna take this out real quick. And there it is out of the case. You lift this to fill it. There's usually cotton in there. I can't lift it though because it's new. It's like really in there. And this right here, this like screw. Here, I'll unscrew it for you. 1 second. I'm just unscrewing it. And that's how you tell if it's a genuine Zippo, if it has that golden spacer on the end there. Other Zippos won't have that. That's where you put your flint. And there's my flint. Not too much, because that's just what they put in there. Alright, that's about it for this video. Oh, and also, this is my other Zippo. It's the Confederate or Rebel flag. This isn't a genuine Zippo though, because it doesn't say Zippo and there's no spacer on it. But that's about it. Go check them out at Zippo.com or at your local mall. They should usually have a little concession booth. Smoke products are sold, like say cigarettes, pipes, grinders, and all that other stuff. So watch my videos, comment, like, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.